170 million TikTok users here in the U.S. could have less than 48 hours before the popular app goes dark. This is all coming after the Supreme Court's decision today. They upheld the law banning the content creation app. 11 Alive's Joe Ripley explains the impact and why the High Court ruled the way it did.
On one account, I have 900,000, and then on a second account, I have 400,000.
Dami Onakoya, you might know him by his TikTok name, Dami, has built a strong following with his videos centered on comedy and motivational speaking.
I think TikTok has done a good job of garnering people together and making people enjoy the same experience.
Now he'll have to funnel that following elsewhere. The Supreme Court upheld a law that's set to go into effect Sunday, banning TikTok in the U.S. Last April, President Biden signed the bipartisan law that looked to tamp down on TikTok's data collection practices. The law stated that unless TikTok was sold to an American company, the app would be shut down on January 19th.
This case is not about speech. This case is about national security.
Georgia State University law professor Eric Siegel says the Supreme Court saw the potential national security threat of the popular app as more dangerous than taking away 170 million users' right to use it.
No, this law is not perfect by any means. The Constitution doesn't require perfect laws. The Constitution requires laws that don't violate the Constitution. And I don't think this law violates the Constitution.
With TikTok soon to go dark, Dami has already started strategizing his next moves.
When they've been talking about the ban, I've already been kind of getting a strategy on what I'm going to do, obviously because you can't control the result of it, but you want to be prepared for it.
In Atlanta, Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
All right, a lot of questions here. We'll see what happens perhaps when President-elect Donald Trump takes office, if there are any changes. But as of now, starting Sunday, new TikTok users won't be able to download the app. Updates won't be available for existing users in the U.S. And the Justice Department says this will effectively sunset the app.